Secure Score Control dashboard consolidates your highest priority security actions and their measurable impact, helping you understand the cost and effort of each control so you can continuously strengthen your posture in the most efficient way. This board illustrates Secure Score, listing 121 required control actions to improve security posture, grouped by implementation cost and services. A key action is enabling MFA for all users under Azure Active Directory, impacting identity security. It has high implementation cost, Secure Score 9, ranked 12th, with high user impact, and action URL links directly to implementation. Lower sections provide remediation steps, control details, impact analysis, and status for execution tracking.